One of the issues from an urban livability perspective is that with increasing population density, we need more public space. So these pocket parks are just a terrific opportunity to answer that problem and to provide that public space where previously there just simply wasn't any. The idea with a pocket park is it's small, up to around a few hundred square metres, that is kind of inserted into an existing urban fabric. At first glance, it looks like there is no available space. So there are generally two ways to build urban public spaces. One way is acquiring land. Local government will have to buy a plot, sometimes demolish a building and build a public space. And that has happened, but a much easier way, a more common way, is to actually just occupy a portion of a street. So that's usually a closure to cars through a particular part of it, and then converting that to a public plaza or park. This goes to a few kind of bigger social issues and environmental issues. So our cities are getting hotter, and one of the really key ways that we know to mitigate that is actually through more canopy cover. Like trees just really have a cooling effect in cities. So it's finding additional space where you can get actually canopy trees planted. And then I guess the other side of that is well-being, social well-being, and the idea that people can experience these spaces as part of their everyday life. That's good for your well-being, socialising. Pocket parks are an amazing thing for our cities.